Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're diving into a seriously bold claim. What if business software could literally just build itself? I mean, picture this. You skip the expensive consultants, toss out those confusing manuals, and just talk to your software. You tell it exactly what you need, and you watch it construct your entire business system right before your eyes. Well, today we're exploring ERPnBOX, a platform that claims to do exactly that.
So let's look at the old way versus the new way. We all know the old way of setting up business systems is universally painful, right? You got to hire these pricey consultants, spend weeks mapping out code, and suffer through those endless data migrations. It's a total headache. But the ERPnBOX way, it completely flips the script. You just describe your business in plain, everyday English, the AI builds the underlying structure for you, and boom, you can start using it immediately. No more duct taping different apps together.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the platform that builds itself. Second, the metadata magic behind it. Third, the 22-tool AI assistant. Fourth, your custom app ecosystem. And finally, how to start your free trial.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, the platform that builds itself. Before we get deep into the tech, let's just define what this actually is, minus all the heavy corporate jargon. Basically, ERPnBOX is an all-in-one system designed to run your whole business in one single place. We're talking your sales CRM, your human resources and payroll, your customer support desk, and even messaging channels like WhatsApp and email. But here is the absolute game changer. You describe it instead of configuring it. It's this unified workspace that literally shapes itself around your spoken or typed words. Pretty cool, right?
Moving on to Section 2, the metadata magic. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth is an instant, AI-driven setup even possible without totally breaking the database? Well, the secret sauce here is a metadata-driven architecture. See, in traditional software, business objects are hard-coded by developers. But in ERPnBOX, modules and fields are actually just data entries in a database, and your real business records are stored securely as super flexible JSON data. Think of it like a giant set of Lego blocks. When the AI adds a new field for you, it's really just updating the Lego blueprint. And because absolutely nothing is hard-coded, it works instantly. No messy database migrations, no system downtimes. That is exactly why the AI can create a field, and you can start using it a split second later.
Let's head over to Section 3, the 22-tool AI assistant.
All right, time to meet the actual engine driving this whole platform. 22. I really want to emphasize this number because it's huge. ERPnBOX isn't just relying on some basic chat interface that spits out generic text. No, it's powered by a highly capable, real tool using AI agent equipped with exactly 22 specialized tools at its disposal to take action on your system.
Just take a look at these capabilities. Because it has those 22 tools, this AI agent can actually find and read your CRM data, create and update live records, run complex math for your analytics, build visual dashboard charts on the fly, and even pull up HR logs to answer questions like, hey, what's Ahmed's leave balance? But listen, here is the absolutely crucial part. It strictly respects your data scopes and permissions. The AI can only read or write what you, as the user, are actually authorized to see.
Now, I totally get it. Handing the keys of your business over to an AI, that can sound slightly terrifying. But this platform is built on absolute trust. The golden rule of ERPnBOX is this. The AI proposes, you confirm, it acts. The AI is never going to just go behind your back to delete records or overhaul your system layout. You are in the driver's seat 100% of the time. Let's walk through what the Build with AI flow actually looks like in practice. Step 1, you open the chat and just describe what you want using plain business language. Step 2, the AI assistant validates your request against your live system and proposes the exact configuration. We're talking a new field, a layout change, automated workflows, SLA timers, or maybe even a duplicate matching rule. And then, Step 3, you just review the plain English summary and click Apply. Let's actually look at this magic trick in action. Over on the left, you'll see the AI Setup Assistant has generated a proposal for a new priority drop-down field on the Leads module, complete with high, medium, and low options. And notice that green Apply button. At this exact moment, absolutely nothing has been written to your database. It is totally 100% safe. Then, look over on the right. Once you hit Apply, the server takes over, validates everything, and commits the change instantly. You literally go from a chat prompt to a live system update in seconds. It's wild.
Okay, let's move into Section 4, your custom app ecosystem.
So, we've talked a lot about how it builds, but let's look at what exactly you can build and manage. ERPnBOX ships with this massive all-in-one catalog. You've got your CRM for sales, HRMS for your employees, an integrated email client, WhatsApp messaging, document management, double-entry finance and accounting, customer support, sticky notes, real estate payment plans, website live chat, and even a drag-and-drop forms builder. The core platform is always on. That's what shares your users, roles, and profiles across the whole shebang. But the rest of this vast catalog, it can be entirely tailored to fit you.
And managing that massive catalog is surprisingly simple. Over in your admin settings, you get this really straightforward toggle board for all your apps. So say you don't need the support desk right now, you just disable it. And here's the genius part about that. Doing a soft disable just hides those modules from your team, keeping their navigation incredibly clean. But it perfectly preserves all your underlying data, so you get total peace of mind knowing you can flip it back on later and everything will be exactly where you left it.
And finally, Section 5, start your free trial.
If you're itching to test this out and experience this AI-powered setup today, you'll love this. The sign-up flow is refreshingly fast, literally just 2 steps. Step 1, pick an industry template. This is great because it gives the AI a fantastic head start on understanding your specific business model. Step 2, fill out a basic account creation form. And that's it, you're in.
And I gotta say, the trial perks are fantastic. You get a full 30-day free trial. You can invite up to 5 users to test it out with your team. And right out of the box, every single application in that massive catalog we just looked at is auto-enabled for you. That means you get to test out every feature, every AI automation, every module immediately. And you don't even have to hand over a credit card.
Which leads us with one final, pretty exciting thought. If you had a 22-tool AI assistant ready to construct your perfect workspace from scratch simply by listening to you, what will your AI assistant build for you today? You can test the magic out for yourself and start your free trial at app.ERPnBOX.com/register. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and hey, happy building!